Hey guys, this video is to record what I did to upgrade a .NET 3.5 class library to .NET 6. This class library is a Windows control named sourceGrid. As you can see on the screen, this is a source grid. It has some features like column span, row span, and it supports custom cell color and font styles. On NuGet.org, we can find source grid control, and we can see original authors. However, if I click the project website link, it shows a repository not found, and license info not found. Okay, so the only way I can find a source code is on GitHub, and this is what I used. And I forked this repository and made some changes. Here you can find my fork, and you can see what changes I have made. First, you can see the screenshot is different, right? The version I used, the screenshot in the README, it looks like Windows XP style. And after I upgrade the project to .NET 6 and run it on my Windows 11 machine, I have a new screenshot and put it in the README file. And I built this control with Visual Studio 2022, targeting .NET 6. And the original class library is built with Visual Studio 2017, targeting .NET 3.5. And a major changes I've made is upgrade the CSPROJ file format to SDK style using this tool provided by Microsoft. It's called .NET Upgrade Assistant. Then I changed the target framework from .NET 3.5 to .NET 6. Of course, there are some obsolete code, so I fixed them and removed some unused code files. Another major change I have made to this project is automatically publish the NuGet package to NuGet.org. So you can find my version on NuGet.org. So here is my version of the source grid. And in this video, I'll show you how I configured to automatically deploy source grid control to NuGet.org. Now let's take a look at this project in Visual Studio. First, the dependencies. Because it's a Windows control library, we need Microsoft.Windows.compatibility package. And this project requires system.resources.extensions. At last, min version is used to simplify assembly versioning. I'll show how it works in this video later. Now let's see the project file. Okay, the target framework is .NET 6.0 Windows, and it requires another property code use Windows Fonts set to true. You might notice that I set nullable to disable because in the meantime I don't have enough time to go through those null reference warnings. Now let's see how the continuous integration works. Before that, let me show you the version number of my source grid control. Its current version is 6.0.8. Okay, now make some changes to the README file. Okay, here I added 2 lines and push the changes to the Git server. Commit and push. Okay, then I'll add a new tag called 6.0.9. And push to origin with tags. Okay, then let's see appveyor.com. It's starting a new build here. On the homepage of this project, you can see the build badge. It's pending, means current build is running. Okay, started. You can see it check out the tag 6.0.9. Now the build failed with an error message. It tells me that assembly description attribute is duplicated in this assemblyinfo.cs file. So let's see this assembly info. Let me delete this file and commit and push again. Now add another tag 6.0.10 and push. Okay, go back to the website. Wait a second. So we can see from the build log, success. Okay, and this line tells us sourcegrid-1.6.0.10 package already published to NuGet.org. So let's switch to NuGet website. Current is 6.0.8. Okay, here we can see in my account 6.0.10 version is validating. Later, when it is validated, the status will be changed to listed, just like this version. Okay, so how does this work? The secret lies in a file called appveyor.yaml. Let's take a look. So the first line, skip non-tags, set to true so that it won't build every time I push changes to the Git server. It only builds when I add a tag to the repository. And there are two solutions in the build task. After build, I use .NET pack command to build the package. Then in the deploy section, I deploy to NuGet using my own API key. And this line means it only deploys the NuGet package when there is a new tag added to the repository. Okay, so the new version is published successfully. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.